Good morning, everyone. Um, I actually went for a little vacation, and yeah, I'm back. I went on a break from creating content, and I'm back. So I actually went through the phases which new traders are going to be going through. So, and I want to actually educate us on the things that make a lot of traders to fail on their way to becoming a profitable trader, which I'll be sharing with especially those who just want to go into the industry, like the newbie in this industry. So I'll be sharing it with us shortly. Okay. So like I said, the things that actually make traders to fail. You understand? So number one is changing strategy. That is strategy holding. That is number one, strategy holding. You know, a lot of people just come into this market or in this industry to actually want to learn how to trade, but they can't, or yeah, they can't stick to one strategy for a long time. So they try support and resistance, they try SMC, they try MSNR, they try CRT, they try ICT and other stuff like that, using much indicator than um, that's not supposed to be used on the chart. You know, the chart is just irritating a lot of things. You understand? So strategy, and that is one of the most dangerous thing in trading, because you wouldn't know which one to use when you see the books or even the tree. You understand? So if imagine you are trading MSNR and you're trading SMC, so you see MSNR and you are seeing SMC. So which one will you take? It will trigger your brain on confusion. You understand? So you'll be confused on what to do actually. So um, my advice is for you to stop chasing strategy. There is no holy grail strategy outside there. There's no holy grail strategy outside there. Stick to the one strategy, and for long term, it will give you a return. You understand? It will give you a great return. And then number two is not sticking to the plan. Okay, number two, or that's number two of what makes traders to fail. Not sticking to the rules. That is your system. I've actually gone through these phases myself, and it's very, very dangerous. You know, for instance, you wake up in the morning, instead of you to do your daily routine, like go through news, check your journal, what happened the last trade, why did you lose, and other stuff like that, you just woke up and go to the chart straight, and without actually doing any of those routines, you just go to the charts and you're like looking for a quick win out of the market. Now you are not sticking to your plan, you are not sticking to your system, and that is why it costs you money in the market. So stick to your system and the money will follow. Number three is impatience. Like now, you are not impatient, you are not patient in trading. You just want things very fast. You want things very fast, and that's dangerous in trading. For you to win in this game, bro, you have to be patient. Like seriously, this thing actually dealt with me. It really dealt with me. That God, seriously, I hate myself for that. I won't be like, I know this is my strategy. I know this, that when price comes here, price will react from this level. But I'll like count the days that price is going to come there, and I'm like, no, I'm not going to stay with this. I'm just going to find another pair that's like going to give me a quick win now, like a new pair like that is. I'm going to see my strategy in there, and I'm going to execute it very fast. Now, bro, it's killing me. You know, it's really killing me. It was killing me then, like, so you got to stop it. You understand? You got to be patient in the market. And later on, I'll come and see that, wow, if I check the PA again, I was like, wow, I actually analyzed this, I predicted this move, but I didn't go with it. Why? Because I wasn't patient enough. See, patience is not like you are lazy. Patient in trading means you are gathering resources, like that means your capital and every other thing. That is what it means. Yeah, so sorry for that little break. So like I was saying, you have to be patient in trading, you understand. And then number four, indecision in the market. This also dealt with me. It's just like impatience also. You have a zone at 1.40568, you understand, and a zone at 1.45670567 right. You are supposed to wait for the market to come there, but like your decision, like you have to sell to that zone also. You're like, oh, no, 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 let me also sell to this place. And price was actually coming to that level of buy, and you're like, oh, price is leaving this sell zone, then let me actually go to with the buy. And suddenly price reversed again without touching the buy zone, and now heading to the sell zone. And you're like, why is price going this way again? Okay, let me just sell it, let me just sell it instead. And you sold it, and before you knew it, price came to the buy zone, tag into the buy zone, and went into and invalidated the sell zone. Now you see, your indecision in the market cost you money. Instead of you to have waited and said, okay, no, I'm not going to be selling it, I'm going to be buying it, you instead didn't know the decision to take. You didn't even know what to do. You just say, okay, I'm going to buy it, I'm going to sell it. You were confused. So you have to change your you have to be precise in analyzing and taking action in the market. So that is what I'm going to share with you now. I would like you to subscribe and like this video if this is your first time coming to this channel, and also please help me to share this video. This will really help me a lot. Yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing for now. So my next video, I'm going to be talking on how you can actually be profitable in the market. So those things that will make you to be profitable in the market, from going from technical analysis to psychology and other stuff like that. So I'll see you later. Thank you.